Hello and welcome to Success Formulas.
How to attract a girl without saying anything. Speech is a distinctive feature of humans, and we rely on it a lot. But there are so many things we can do without uttering a word. One of them is attracting a girl. If you want to learn how, keep watching. Before we continue the video, we'd like to thank all of our subscribers. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Your support helps us keep making more helpful and interesting content. Now let's get back to the video. Number 1. Take up the place. You know how animals try to take up as much space as they can when they are courting their potential partners or trying to assert dominance? You can take a leaf out of their books. When you want to attract a girl without talking to her, try taking up as much space as you can. Spread your legs apart a little. If the seat next to you is empty, put your arm around it. Straighten your back and broaden your shoulders. This way you will seem more powerful and attractive. Number 2. Make small adjustments to your appearance. This is one of the oldest tricks in the book. Girls usually notice everything you do, no matter how small or insignificant you might think it is. So, make this work for you. When you enter a room and see her watching you, fix yourself. Make small adjustments to your clothes, wristwatch, or hair. This is a classic move that can attract her attention even more. Doing this signifies you're interested in her because you are grooming yourself to ensure you stand out and appear attractive. Number 3. Make eye contact. Eye contact is one of your most powerful weapons when it comes to attracting women without words. It allows you to communicate many things without saying a word. If you catch her eye, holding her glance for a second longer can establish a connection and initiate further communication. Also, it helps to be expressive through your eyes. Widening them in surprise or narrowing them when you're skeptical shows that you're engaged and paying attention. Number 4. Walk confidently. There is a reason for all that confident walking that attractive men do in commercials. The way you walk tells a lot about you. Imagine someone walking sheepishly, like he doesn't even want to be there. It wouldn't be very attractive. When you walk, do so confidently, with purpose and direction. Walk slower than you normally would, and keep your movements controlled. Such actions indicate that you're comfortable with the world and yourself. Stick your chest out and bring your shoulders back. Walk like you own the place. That confidence you exude is important for making a good first impression and attracting a girl. Number 5. Dress well. One thing many men tend to neglect is the way they dress, but women find it very important. You can reveal many things about yourself and send important messages to the world with your choice of wardrobe. Paying attention to certain aspects of your wardrobe can go a long way when you're trying to catch a girl's attention. Try getting nice t-shirts in neutral colors like black, white, or navy without patterns. Pay special attention to how your clothes fit. If you wear baggy or too tight clothes, you will not look your best. One more important thing is to make sure that however you update your wardrobe, you still feel like it's you. Number 6. Wear nice fragrance. The way we smell plays a big role in attraction. Smells have the power to help us form impressions of other people. They also help us form memories. That is why certain smells remind us of specific people, places, or events. So, you can use this to your advantage when you want to attract a girl's attention. Smell is very high on most women's list of favorite things about men. Our natural body scent mixes up with the fragrances we wear, so it is up to you to find the best fragrance for yourself. Your search will not be in vain. Women react very well to a well-chosen scent. Number 7. Use gestures. Most of us have a natural tendency of making gestures while we talk. That is good because you can use gestures as a means of attracting women without saying anything. Slower movements, leaning slightly back from her, and keeping your fist open when you first encounter her will help make her relaxed and more trustful towards you. If you put your hands in your pocket or cross your arms, you will seem hostile or disinterested. When you two get to know each other better, you can start using simple and small touches as a way of promoting closeness. Number 8. Show that you are sociable. A great way to stand out and get women to notice you is through social proof. That means making friends in front of her or surrounding yourself with other people. Sociability plays a big role when it comes to attracting girls. Girls love popular men and men who can make friends easily. If you are in a group of other people and you seem you're managing it well, she will want to be around you too. If you start making jokes and make others laugh and have a good time, all the better. She will surely want to be a part of your world. Number 9. Pay attention to people around you. Another small but important thing that can further your cause is to be attentive to the people around you. If you're talking to people, make sure you're engaged in the interaction. Nod your head to confirm you're hearing what the people in your group are saying. Shift your center of focus from time to time by looking around at the other people in the group. That is not only polite, but shows to her that you can focus on important things. It also shows you are well-mannered. Number 10. Look busy. One of the tricks you can use if you want to impress a girl without talking to her is to look busy. Showing that you're a focus guy can be a very attractive trait as it signals commitment. Also, it gives her the opportunity to watch you and not be observed. If you are at a party, talk to other people, mingle, or if you're talented, play an instrument. If you are going to a coffee shop, you can bring a nice briefcase with your laptop in it and dress business casual. Signaling that you're there to get work done can come across as determined and focused. Number 11. Smile. A smile is very important when it comes to attracting ladies. You convey so much with one smile. You want to send a message that you are confident, comfortable, and have a kind personality. When you want to attract a girl, it's important that you feel and represent yourself as being friendly, open, and approachable. Don't force your smile. Smile genuinely. Girls will be more interested to talk to you if you smile because you seem more approachable. Number 12. Put your phone down. We hope there's no need to tell you this, but just in case, when you want to attract a woman, you should not be staring at your phone. Put your phone down and pay attention to her, as well as to what is happening around you. Staring at your phone and scrolling through social media will not get you any closer to getting her attention. You will seem disinterested and rude. She will not be attracted to someone who pays zero attention to her, and she will have a hard time realizing you even like her. Number 13. Use the power of social media. Nowadays, you can use social media for almost everything. You can buy stuff, sell stuff, connect with people with similar interests, or meet new people. Well, you can also use it to attract women without actually talking to them. It all comes down to your activity on social media. Think about how you represent yourself. Your Facebook page or your Instagram accounts are what people see on social media. So pay attention to what you share. It tells a lot about you. For example, what kind of pictures do you post? Are they mostly selfies, or do you post pictures of you and your friends doing all kinds of fun things? Do you post any other content that can reveal your interests and passions? These are all things that matter when it comes to attracting women. Have you tried any of these ways to attract a girl? Let us know in the comment section. We love reading your comments. Before you leave, our team will be very happy if you can give this video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.